about how to use Nero. We're going to go down here. We're back into the Nero front panel where you have all the options. We're on to CD now, and we're going to convert audio CDs to digital Nero digital audio. Just like an MP3 is a separate format, it won't play on CD players. Nero has its own conversion. So if you really like the Nero media player and you want to be able to just listen to everything in there, Nero has its own digital audio conversion. So you can convert CDs, MP3s, anything you want to the Nero file, and that way they can easily be played in the Nero player. Here's to encode audio files. So let's say, for instance, if you have some files that you needed to be encoded, what you want to do is you want to add your file, and we're going to pull up this Cool Beans song here, and this is a WAV file. And let's say, for instance, if we need this WAV file to be created into something else, we can either remove it here from the menu, remove all from the menu, reset the status, or we can go down here and it says the output file format right here. The output file format.